we are in an industry where nothing much is being done for the people who are part of that industry. But then I realized that corruption can never really be eliminated because it is so seeped into the system. Probably ensure that you are removed from the system rather than the corruption. But the price has to be paid. One point in time, I was boycotted by most of the TV channels that were there. Where I was doing 14 shows, I ended up coming to doing one show. The experiences of film production, completely different challenges from being a composer. And in Marathi cinema, again, if you're a producer, you have to distribute your own film. 2 days prior to the release date, theaters have been booked, everything is in place, publicity has been released. We haven't got a certificate yet. Mr. Akhtar spearheaded the movement. He became a member of parliament and brought it to the notice of the lawmakers at that point in time, because of which the Copyright Amendment Bill came into being. Copyright Amendment Bill was opposed tooth and nail by music companies, producers, or they wanted to treat music like a product. They're still attempting to do that despite the bill being in place because of some ridiculous contracts which they have in place. My personal favorite work is always Balika Vadhu. Till Balika Vadhu, everybody used to follow the Balaji system of music. Madras cut happening, bangs everywhere, all over the place. I use instruments like sarangi, flute, chorus, esraj, sitar, sarod, the entire Indian palette of music. When it comes to background score, you only have the composer. Now when the channel pays the royalties, he removes his publisher half and pays the royalties.
So you should ideally get 100.
Yes.